All right, we're going to talk about inequalities in one triangle. Okay, so comparison property of inequality. So if A equals B plus C and C is greater than A, then A is greater than B, right? So this should kind of make, so if this is a positive number here, if I add it to B, that forces A to be bigger than B. Okay, given, so here's the proof of this. We're going to prove that A is greater than B. Okay, so we're going to set up our statement here. Okay, so C is greater than 0, that's given. Okay, so if I add B to both sides, right, B plus C equals 0 plus B, that's the addition of property of equality, right? B plus C, so this is just kind of identity property here, we're just moving out to 0. A equals B plus C, that's also given. So here, now I can substitute in what B plus C is. A is greater than B. Okay, so that's the proof of that statement. The corollary to the triangle exterior angle theorem. So remember the exterior angle we said was equal to the sum of the remote interiors. So angle 1 is equal to 3 plus 4. So the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of each of its remote interiors. Angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Angle 1 is greater than angle 4. Okay, example 1. Okay, why is angle 2 greater than angle 3? Okay, well the first thing is we look here. Angle 1 is my exterior angle. So angle 1 is greater than angle 3. So angle 1 is greater than angle 3, right? The measure. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So now angle 2 has to be greater than angle 3, right? So even though 2 is not my exterior angle, it's equal to it because it says that these two sides are congruent. So therefore these two angles are congruent. Angle 1 is greater than angle 3 because it's exterior. Okay, theorem 510. If two sides of a triangle are not congruent, then the larger angle lies opposite the longer side. Okay, so here I have MT is greater than RT, right? So angle R is larger than angle M. Okay, example 2. List the angles from largest to smallest. So I look at my sides first and I find my smallest side. So here's my smallest side. Angle A has to be my smallest angle. Angle A, which is less than, okay, now I go to my next smallest side here, which is opposite angle C. So angle C, which is less than angle B. So I'm putting those in order from smallest to largest, and it goes opposite my sides there. Okay. If two angles of a triangle are not congruent, then the longer side lies opposite the larger angle. Okay? So angle C is greater than angle A, right? Right angle, angle A. Therefore, AB, or the side opposite C, has to be bigger than BC. Okay? So place the sides of the triangle in order from smallest to greatest. Okay, so here now I have my three angles here, 42, 64, and 74. Okay, so now I can actually put my sides in order from smallest to greatest. Well, 42 is my smallest angle. So the side opposite that is AC, it's my smallest side. Now I look at my next here is 64. 64 is opposite BC, so BC, which is less than 74, which is AB. So that's putting my sides in order from smallest to greatest. Okay, triangle inequality theorem. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. This is always true. It always has to work out. Here I have AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC, and AC plus BC has to be greater than AB. Always, always true for any triangle. Can a triangle have sides with the given lengths? Okay, so 3, 7, 8. Okay, so the way I look at this is 3 plus 7, is that greater than 8? Yes, that's check. Okay, 7 plus 8, is that greater than 3? Check. 3 plus 8, is that greater than 7? Check. All of them are true, so this is yes. Okay, yes, it could be. Okay, 5, 10, 15. 5 plus 10, is that greater than 15? No, so right there it fails. It is not a triangle. Okay, finding possible side lengths. Okay, so this is important. I might have 2 sides and I have to find the third side. The lengths of 2 sides of a triangle are given. Find the range of possible lengths for the third side. Okay, so here I have 5 and 7. Okay, so I don't know if 7 is my longest side or my middle side. I don't know if 5 is my smallest side or my middle side. Okay, so the way we're going to do that is we're going to call x is equal to the side length. Okay, so the way that we find length is we have the difference is less than x is less than the sum. So we're going to go 7 minus 5 is less than x is less than 7 plus 5, or 2 is less than x is less than 12. So we have this range of values here, okay? So the difference is 2, the sum is 12. That gives me my span of side lengths. 12 and 18. So I'm going to go 18 minus 12 is less than x is less than 18 plus 12. 6 is less than x is less than 30. Okay? All right. What did the bee say when it solved the problem? How'd you